Hi traders, this is the Dow on the 60-minute chart. So after last week's sell-off, we came just under the 1600 mark and pushed up, pulled back, pushed up, pulled back. So we've done a nice little three-wave wiggle. I am actually short up here because it's where we broke down from here, and we've had three waves. We've got a high RSI, just prepared to risk a little bit of capital, which I'll add to if that starts to come off. But we're now left with a daily with an hour and a half to go before the market shut. That is pulling up into the zone I'm interested in shorting big time, but if we close up here and 300 gets bought tomorrow, we could climb higher off the back of this hammer, this Sunday night hammer. Alright, so that's left the pound yen having breached that support and trying to hold it with the UK budget tomorrow. So if we close here and the Asian market doesn't bring it up, then that looks as if we could go and test that support at the bottom of that on this trend line. Euro yen. This is a nice bar yesterday, just breaches the, or it comes right back to the Sunday open, touches the 50 EMA, and at the moment we are clinging on. So very volatile, increased volatility with political and economic shifting sands at the moment, so just be very, very careful. As we speak, the pound yen is pushing even a little bit higher there. Pound US has dipped. So if this is a bullish consolidation, it's not uncommon to see it dip lower. But if we hold 166 into tomorrow and break 166.50, that could punch higher. So it's tonight's close. When you get back to your screens next tomorrow sometime, watch to see if we've held 166. Euro US just inching higher. We were looking at the Aussie pairs. Euro Aussie is lower and pound Aussie is going to be lower because the Aussie is holding up nicely but coming to resistance. 92 is a 127 extension on that. So with this increase in volatility, it's making life that much harder. At the moment, I don't see any swing trades in this at all. Aussie US is potentially closing higher, so if you wanted to trade anything in a real trend, then I would suggest at 91 on the Aussie US to see if that can close at 92 plus. Otherwise, I guess as long as the Dow holds up, then 15,300 is a buy tomorrow. But I'm just looking to see if we can drop 50 points into the close. So again, come back to your charts tomorrow and see where that one is. Okay, and oil has squirted up. There's a changeover in the contracts, and that's generated. I was expecting a move yesterday. I actually bought the low yesterday and got stopped out. Still not a great close. Well, actually, yes, we have just closed. The pits have just closed. The commodities have bounced back, so that was consolidating on the wheat. Corn is back in action. There's decent support down there at 477. I was just hoping for a bigger pullback and just not getting it. So if you want to get in on this, then you're going to have to pay at least 480 and possibly 475 if you hold it out. The beans are now pulling the socks right up. The gold is drifting. So you want to go back in the beans, or if you want to go in the beans, you can try and hold out for 14 bucks. I certainly wouldn't get in higher, otherwise you are getting in too high. Okay, so leave it there, and I will see you tomorrow.